Nothing in this video is financial advice. So the coin rankings are kinda like individual stock pickings in the traditional markets. Here we are trying to find the individual Amazon, Google, Facebook, Netflix, other stocks like this that can tremendously outperform the basic index or the other top cryptos such as Bitcoin and Ethereum. And I have the investor plan, which means that I have access to the top 100 cryptos on the market. As you can see here, it's quite a big list of coins. And actually, I myself, I don't have the money to invest into all of these, and that's not the point even. The point is to find the golden opportunities from within this list of top 100 coins. And obviously, if you take even more expensive package, you get access to all of the coins in the token metrics platform and on the market, which gives you just huge opportunities in the microcap coins. We're going to look into later who should think of which kind of plan. If we put things into perspective here, on average you're paying about $1, $1.50 for all the data per coin in here. But now, how can you use this data? Even just this view here is that you can think about, like, here's the token metrics rank, like what token metrics thinks of the actual technology and the coin itself. And here you see the market cap rank, which you can find if you go to CoinMarketCap or CoinCodex or CoinPaprika or CoinGecko. This is the rank that you see there. This, like, the biggest coin obviously is Bitcoin, then we have Ethereum, etc. And one simple thing you can use here to find the opportunities is match or look at and compare the token metrics rank, which tells you about the potential, how good token metrics thinks that the coin is, and you compare it to the market cap rank. And what you can see here is that the bigger the difference here is, the better the opportunity in investing to the coin. And here already in the top 6 we have like 1, 2, 3 coins with really big differences in the token metrics rank and the market cap rank, because the difference here basically means that the Matic network is currently on the market cap rank 122, and token metrics is actually ranking it to be the number 5. So there's like unbelievable opportunities you can find with this kind of data analysis. Token metrics basically digest the information for you, and you can start looking at these coins from based on their analysis. Now, that being said, I wouldn't go immediately all into any of these coins just for the reason that token metrics is ranking them into a certain rank. Because to make any good investment decisions that last long and you are able to hold, you gotta know the coins yourself. You see, let's say you invested in Bancor and the coin climbs to, let's say, number 50 on the market cap rank, and you're anticipating it to go to the number 6. But it goes to the number 50, and from there it starts to decline, and you know nothing about the coin. All you know is the name, and you know that token metrics told you that it could be number 6. Well, it got to the number 50 and then it starts to decline. What happens is your own psychology starts to kick in, and you might not be that comfortable with holding the coin. You start to think oh my god, is this gonna go to 0 or back to 107, or am I actually going to lose a lot of money with this? And you sell. You sell it when it's number 90. And okay, at that point you really made some money in there. But then the coin starts to climb again in price. Huge climb. And you panic buy in because you think, okay, it's going to go to the number 6. Those are the tricks that your psychology can play on you. And then again, a little correction happens as the price declines. You see, the journey to the number 6 isn't necessarily a straight line. And in the journey, if you're unsure of the product, you don't know it, you can still lose money. And that being said, this is exactly where token metrics can help you, because let's say you're doing token and coin research in the sub 1000, in the total microcap coins, and there's just so huge amount of coins and data that you should look into to really understand them deeply. Here Token Metrics buys you time. It basically digests the information for you about the coins, and it helps you like eliminate the totally scam ones and the ones that don't have solid fundamentals. And once you find these coins, these good quality coins from here, from this view, you can start digging into them and looking at the data that Token Metrics gives you even within the platform. Like, you can still and you should go to read the white papers, but you can get all the necessary data within the platform as well. The main thing is that you trust in the coin and you understand the technology and everything it stands for. Because if you don't do the research and trust in the coins you're investing, you're running the risk of letting your psychology play the tricks on you. You're actually going to lose money even though you have information like this, like it has the potential to rise, or Token Metrics ranks it to the number 6 in potential. And that is why I wouldn't go all into any coin just for the reason that Token Metrics ranks it in a good way, because investing is also about your psychology, and that's why rather how you should think about the platform. It is like I'm gonna be honest here, there's no magic wand that makes you $1 million. So that's why how you should look at the platform is that you come into this view, you look at the coins, you identify, okay, Matic Network, Bancor, these have really good potential in my mind, and you look deeper into them. You open the project, which we're going to do in a moment. You open the project and you start looking at the technical indicators, you go into the technology, and you take a deep dive on the coin. That's when you get familiar with it. And when you start to trust into projects like that, which have the great potential that Token Metrics has filtered out for you, you are way more comfortable in holding the coin all the way from the number 107 to the number 6, if that is going to happen anytime. But my main point here is that Token Metrics basically lets you cut through the noise of the crypto market. You see like 100 coins. That's what I have access to in here. And Token Metrics let us see through the noise and cut through the noise and find the quality projects. For example, with the rank method I showed you, there are obviously many things you can do with the platform. And all they help you do is cut through the noise of the crypto market and invest and find the project that have the potential to grow. Then you start to educate yourself on the project, you start forming your own opinions on it, and that's where you find the opportunities in the crypto space. And why I'm now making this video is for the reason that we see that crypto has been down a bit. It's not just this minus 0.43%, but like about a month ago we saw some ultra bullish move on the Bitcoin charts, and ever since we've been sliding downwards. And interestingly, now Token Metrics is actually predicting about 8% growth in Bitcoin price, and as you can see, like Polkadot could see something like 30% growth. All this updates constantly, so by the time you see this video it might be that these are a bit outdated already. But these predictions, these tie closely to the reason why I'm making this video right now for you. Basically with Bitcoin and the great going alts, we're actually seeing that the correction could be over soon, and we're seeing that we are in the time and space where we have the opportunity to get into these kinds of rising tides, like Bitcoin's 8%, 33% on Polkadot possibly, 34% on Blockstacks, and etc. The possibilities are endless here. And I want to take the time now to dive into the Bitcoin analytics. Obviously you can see all the rest if you get the $5 trial, link for which you find from the video description below. And why I want to see the Bitcoin and show that one for you is because basically very rarely the other altcoins can start to rise if Bitcoin has not moved in price. You just watched part of Token Metrics tutorial by DeepInCrypto. The full tutorial is 55 minutes and it goes into every single feature on the platform. You learn how to use the rankings, how to use the indices, and how to find the opportunities in the turbulent crypto markets that is full of opportunities. See the rest of the video, and if you want to get token metrics, see the video description for an additional -10% discount on your purchase.